What is this called?
Screws.
Good job. Do you know this one?
Sandpaper.
That's right. How about this one?
Paintbrush.
You rock it. What is this called?
Toolbox.
You are the best. Can you guess this one?
Saw.
You know everything. This is easy.
Ladder.
That's right. How many?
What is this called?
Battery charger.
Good job.
What is this called?
Plug.
That's right.
What is this called?
Outlet.
You rock it.
What is this called?
Extension cord.
You are the best.
What is this called?
Flashlight.
You know everything. Do you know this one?
Smoke detector.
That's right.
What is this called?
Hammer.
Good job.
What is this called?
Wrench.
That's right.
What is this called?
Pliers.
You rock it.
What is this called?
Drill.
You are the best.
What is this called?
Tape measure.
You know everything. Do you know these one?
Nails.
That's right.